Are you looking to become a millionaire in your 20s? Making smart money decisions are key to achieving this goal. In this video, I'll be showing you 8 money tips to help you get there. From saving and investing to avoiding credit card debt, I'll walk you through the steps you need to take in order to become a millionaire. So, join me and let's get started. 8 money tips to become a millionaire in your 20s. 1. Invest aggressively. 2. Let compound interest do the heavy lifting. 3. Stay focused in school. 4. Save until it hurts. 5. Work hard and know your place. 6. Consider both aggressive and conservative strategies. 7. Invest in long-term stocks. 8. Come up with a strategy to knock out student debt. The first point refers to investing aggressively. This means you should identify investments that offer the greatest potential for growth and long-term return. This includes investments in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Make sure to research and understand the risks associated with each investment before making it. Additionally, it is important to diversify your portfolio to minimize risk and maximize potential earnings. The second point refers to letting compound interest do the heavy lifting. This technique involves investing a small amount of money and letting it accumulate through interest each month. This allows you to take advantage of the benefits of compound interest, meaning the interest earned in one month is added to the capital for the next month. This will allow you to save money in the long run without having to invest large sums of money. The third point refers to staying focused on school. This means making the most of your education and standing out among your peers. This will help you get better jobs and increase your long-term income. It will also help you develop skills and knowledge that will be useful in your future career. This includes skills such as money management, developing leadership skills, and understanding basic financial concepts. The fourth point refers to saving until it hurts. This means you must be willing to sacrifice some of your current lifestyle in order to save for your future. This means cutting out some of your unnecessary expenses such as eating out, clothing, or entertainment. This will help you save a significant amount of money over time. In addition, you should also consider putting away a portion of your income each month. This will help you save for your long-term financial goals. The fifth point refers to making the most out of saving opportunities. This means looking for opportunities to save money such as food coupons, discounted prices on products, and loyalty programs. This will help you save a significant amount of money in a short period of time. Additionally, you should also look for ways to save on monthly expenses such as electricity bill, cable service, and telecom services. This will help you save a significant amount of money in the long run. The sixth point refers to knowing your limits. This means setting limits for your expenditures and not exceeding them. This will help you to save a significant amount of money over time. Additionally, you should also set limits to determine when you should start investing. This will help you maximize your investments and save for your long-term financial goals. The seventh point refers to seeking financial advice. This means seeking professional advice, such as from a financial advisor, to help you make intelligent financial decisions. This will help you understand the basics of money management and avoid costly financial mistakes. Furthermore, you should also seek financial advice on how to invest your money, how to save for retirement, and how to prepare for your financial future. This will help you save a significant amount of money in the long run. The eighth point refers to evaluating and adjusting the plan. This means reviewing your plan with a financial advisor on a regular basis to ensure it is still relevant to your financial goals. This will help you to stay on track with your plan and save a significant amount of money over time. Additionally, you should also assess your progress toward your financial goals. This will help to ensure that you are meeting your financial goals and allow you to make informed decisions to reach them. Thanks for watching our video on 8 money tips to become a millionaire in your 20s. We hope these tips have provided valuable insight and inspiration for you to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Remember, wealth building is a journey, not a destination, so stay focused and keep working towards your dream of becoming a millionaire in your 20s. Thanks for tuning in.